everyone. Jpac, I saw you narrating this particular video and you were doing Jpac, wait though. That hotel guy, this boy, Mbajuma, oh, he had a hotel. This guy needed to fiapa a puru hammer. Jpac, is it not the same way they were hammering your Ike and leaving your diaper behind? Please leave the innocent boy alone. Let us support the family. Can this boy, you are not supposed to talk when things like this are going on, especially you should be going to therapy. I only gave you one assignment. And even though I came back to this Nigeria, I ordered you that you should go to Guinea, to your doctor. Just a normal thing. I mean, did you see how the father is going to Jpac, you should be the last person eating your no because otulage na gomiri, your ass is otulage na goshimiri papa. About this particular guy now. This video that you guys are about to watch, I saw Jpac narrating this video. I begin to wonder, say, you see, hypocritical beings should not even be on this planet because you are deceiving your filthy life. Please, Jpac, the same person have been asking him. Before he returned from China. He said that as soon as he arrived, that I gave me examine till now, Jpac have not come and answered my question. You see, I have not been replying those people on the comment section because they are irrelevant. Now you are good at target. I'm not so going to be I want to get a second hand. A man, I'm a ponic. That's your tebre. On a make comedy with Ogechi. Ojime make comedy, and some people like, Ogechi, what are you talking about? Jpac alone. Jpac just got a show from club. She went and she, not him. She went and rented her follow she. That is the problem. She went and rented her follow she. He. Because only no come one. So nobody should tell me that Jpac married onye. I show somebody po. I show somebody po. Chore ko go Jpac and na prayer hunne. E posikwa na agba. Owi cho he ludi. Posikwa na aga pe mane nwa afa Igbo. Posikwa na agba yi na-eme. Nwa afa Igbo na akpọ ụda agba. Nna ike ole ụda no. Ihe a na-eme gị n'ike na-eme gị ebe a. Ọ gaghị awa ọkụ. Ma edowe gị n'ụlọ lụwa gị. That was how Jpac got married to her follow she. Chineke. Jpac, now let me warn you. You see this particular video, you should stay away from videos like this. Because I be doing here 2024 and you still refer. And then I am telling you that I'm reminding you 2025 while I'm still in Nigeria. Before I'll travel back to the States. Whether you are keeping me here 6 months, whether you are keeping me here 7 years, it doesn't matter. The bone of contention, your ass is owing me, and you gotta pay me. All this newi are confirmed that they with the diaper and God should put that in with the diaper. Diaper problem we share. All I need to get a lodge in a hotel. Why is it every time ish in a hotel poor or brand on a diaper issue poor? Thank God that a lot of people are confirming that no reasonable rich man will have anything to do with you. So they don't release their number to you. They don't have any business to do with you. You are only one that forcing yourself into their life because Nde ka amaghị ihe wu nde na-ejiri ike ga-emere good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You understand what I'm saying? So, because that's your etebri, that's your she loro. In a boy and that's a colorful pick and go. Eh? That's a shower upon hello. She go back to Apuna because all your game, you see, she cannot do anything. Even the comment girl on the comment Joe Wookin yes, you do like she cannot amount to anything good. And ready for you, Melly. Enough, you need here little weapon on our roll. It we have like oh just amount to anything good. And ready for you, Melly. Enough, you need here little weapon on our roll. It we have like oh just service. Allow her to continue her job. You know what I go? Some people say that I should leave your wife out of Ghana. Leave one year. You are even lucky that I'm not dragging Negi. Because I decided to let that woman be at peace. You came out on this blue app and told the world that my father left my mother because my mother was prostituting. You can't put the video. You know, our people forget. One thing about me, when I come back, when I tell police, Ogechi intimidate. And my home that put in a haga pushing the dema RSP, RIP, Nahaga man, you raw, it too small. You know, I am a haga copy again. I get buried soon. Just for relaxing, I hear a maga. I got a copy again. When I told these people now that you are busy warning, Abraham, that it's not only me that you will start with, that you will later extend your frustration to them, and it's beginning to play. You can't see. Relax. You know this Facebook. And I'm in a boon order hot. Talk at no more hot to come. Just so relax, yeah. It's just a matter of time. We don't see those things now. Now the more you look, the less you see. You don't feed anybody. Who you want control? Now people that feed themselves. I could be put on up. Oh, don't worry. You see that stone? We wanna take stone me. Now what's they go take stone on? You better wanna wake up and stand on our own. Imagine we that live in a developed country. And now she's Yanika subdue because Nigeria is not straightforward. Now let me tell you guys one thing. You see this thing now that happened about this young guy. Jpac in a homage. And they made Jpac. Doctor.